work with all the dedication and consistency, making themselves and their society proud. एक बार और जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. हम बहुत कार्यक्रम में जाते हैं और शिरकत करते हैं, लेकिन ऐसे बहुत कम कार्यक्रम होते हैं जहां पे हमारा मिशन और विजन सिर्फ एक ही नहीं है, ऑब्जेक्टिव सिर्फ एक ही नहीं है, बल्कि मल्टीपल ऑब्जेक्टिव्स हैं. तो फिर से एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं, लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन. And without further ado, we will be starting with some speaker sessions. हमारे यहाँ आज मौजूद हैं बहुत ही वेल अकम्प्लिश्ड स्पीकर्स जिन्होंने अपनी जिंदगी में बहुत कुछ अचीव किया है और आज यहाँ इस पोडियम पे खड़ा होकर वो हमें एक मार्गदर्शन दिखाएंगे. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, एंड मैं बुलाना चाहूंगी एट फर्स्ट ममता सिंह जी को. Can I have Mamta Singh Ji? Mamta Singh Ji is a transformative force, a beacon guiding individuals and business towards personal and financial mastery with a unique blend of expertise as a master NLP coach, Vastu expert, relationship coach, Reiki. She has achieved a lot in a very, very short span of time. And it's a pleasure to be having you here, madam. एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. We would love to hear from you, Mamta ji. Please aye. ये भी
जो भी पीछे तक आवाज चलेगी.
हर के लिए.
Am I audible at the last?
आप इसको थोड़ा पास से.
Hello?
Yeah.
Am I audible at the last? Thank you. So today I'm Mamta Singh here, and all the information has been given by her. So today I'm here to talk about the relationships, and it's a very important topic in human behavior right now. हर किसी को जो है रिलेशनशिप के अंदर आज प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, वो प्रॉब्लम किस लिए है? Can anybody tell me right now? Acceptance. Yes, very right. Patience. Yes. So there is a small quote over there: the quality of your relationship determines the quality of your life. So जब तक आपकी लाइफ में अच्छा रिलेशनशिप नहीं है, आप कहीं पे भी सक्सेसफुल नहीं हो पाते. And the level of your life success depends on your relationship. And it's not the years in your life that counts. It's the life in your years. जिंदगी आपने जी जरूर है, लेकिन कितनी जिंदगी जी है ये इस पे निर्भर नहीं करता. ये इस पे निर्भर करता है कि कैसे जी है आपने, है ना? तो द मेन थिंग इन रिलेशनशिप इज दैट कि व्हेन यू आर डिस्कनेक्टेड विथ योर सोर्स, देन यू आर नॉट हैविंग अ गुड रिलेशनशिप. इट मीन्स व्हाट? लाइक, हैव यू सीन अ ट्री एनी टाइम? Tree is, when rooted inside, it flourish like anything. But when this unrooting is happening at a one moment of a time, the tree becomes dried up like anything. In the same way, the human beings, if are connected with their source, that is their parents, then they are connected with the family also, and they are having a very flourishing relationship in them. But nowadays, what we are seeing it, like since from the childhood, in the school times, we have seen the many kinds of relationship. First, when we are in the schools, that is the puppy love we have heard about. Puppy love is what? You people are just known to each other. You are classmates, but you have never talked, but you are having an attraction with each other. Isn't it? Second is the benching. Nowadays it is happening. Like you are having a step person for you to share your thoughts and process in the relationship, but you are also having one boyfriend to have a life over there. So that is called to be the benching nowadays. Next is the situationship. That is the uncommitted relationship. But two partners are always together. And it's a momentary happiness they meet with each other. They have not met with their families, they have not met with their friends, but they are into the relationship. It's a romantic relationship, but still they are not connected. Next, I have seen that the friendship marriage. Don't consider it as a marriage. It's a legal marriage, but people are not interested in having their child. They can have their child with the surrogacy or maybe the different methods of there. But it's a romantic relationship. Then the live-in relationship is coming up in the picture. So in the society again, the live-in is making a move nowadays. People are there emotionally attached, having an attraction. They are having a different kind of sexual intimacy and all that, but still they are not considered to be a right partner for each other. After some years, they get separated. Then nowadays, one more topic is coming up, is a breadcrumbing. Breadcrumbing is also like that. There is again, people are there for you, but they are not there for you. It is like that. So what all you get in these kinds of relationship? Sadness, resentment, unfulfillment, depression, anxiety, fear, lots of anger for self and the other partner too. We got fulfilled with all these negative emotions after having these kinds of relationship in our life. But these emotions in turn will do a very small meditation to remove these kind of guilt in our body, which is creating many of the problems in our life. So I request everybody to close their eyes and sit straight. Our first resentment comes with our mom. Dear mom, I'm sorry for hurting you, for judging you, for not giving you enough time in life. Please forgive me for not understanding you, for not loving you, for not respecting you enough. Thank you, Mom, for your unconditional love, even when I hated myself. Thank you for all the sacrifices you made for me. Even though I did not tell you many times, I love you. Now the second resentment, which is there with our dad. Dear Dad, I am sorry for hurting you, for judging you, for not giving you enough time in life. Please forgive me for not understanding you, for not loving you, for not respecting you enough. Thank you, Dad, for your unconditional love, even when I hated myself. Thank you for all the sacrifices you made for me. Dad, I love you. Now I will request to remember the person who has hurted you the most. Say the name of the person in your memory and say that, I am sorry, dear. Whatever the name is there, speak that name. I am sorry for blaming everything on you alone. I know, understand, even though I am responsible for the situation. Please forgive me for not taking responsibility of my part, for holding on so much of negativity in myself. Thank you for this lesson and the experience. Deep within I know I needed this lesson to grow. I choose to move on and I allow you to move on. I love you. Next, there is a resentment with our own self. So I will request everybody to heal yourself first. I am the one who underestimated you the most. Please forgive me for disconnecting with you. You are talking to your own soul. Please forgive me for leaving you alone and not believing in you. Thank you, dear soul, for the beautiful life. Thank you for this connection with the universe. It doesn't matter who don't love you. From now, I love you. Hug yourself tight Hug yourself tight. And a very warm hug to yourself. Keep your head on your shoulder and feel that a baby is loving yourself. I will never leave you alone from now onwards. You will realize that you were waiting for this love, aren't you? Feel that love for yourself. I promise you, I will never leave you alone anymore. Be with yourself for some time and say, you have been waiting for your own love, haven't you? Slowly move your hands, open your eyes, rub your hands, and put them on your face. Take the energy of yours and believe in yourself. Tell me one word, how was it?
How was it?
Thank you.
Thank you so very much, Mamta ji. Of course, a very, very knowledgeable meditation session. वो 3-4 मिनट का ही था, but of course बहुत प्रभावित किया होगा आप सब ने, आप सब सभी को. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for Mamta Singh for her first speaker session. Thank you so much, ma'am, for coming here.